Hi my friends, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought you another video of about an unboxing video of a Lenovo Core i5 30th Gen laptop brand. This is a brand new laptop that I had brought to my received to my office, and I'm doing a technical review on this one, same as doing the unboxing work. Lenovo brand is the one of the cheapest brands in the market on today's market, and now I'm recording this one in 2024, the year of 2024. My Sri Lankan friends can be watching a single review video on the other videos that I had brought add to my video collections. This is how this laptop comes with an cardboard safety packaging, Lenovo brand, and my uh, product suppliers provided me a carrying bag that's specially made of Lenovo carrying bag, laptop carrying bag. You can see the black one on the left hand side. This is how it comes, the packaging. It's has mentioned everything. In here you can see the Lenovo authorized distribution in your region, and it is providing a 3-year service warranty. In this if you need to follow the warranty, you can have to scan this QR code and register the Lenovo website, and there they will provide you the required maintenance and other updates to your laptop. This is how it comes in inside. Inside is a safely protect package laptop. This is the charger itself with the contact charging cable. This is a 15-inch display LCD laptop. It comes with i5 processor, Intel i5 processor. I'm safely removing the parts on here. You can see the user manuals and warranty cards, others, and this is a virus card that provided by my laptop provider. So it's okay. We had included into our specification that we need that one in our laptop packaging. And today these are how the inside looks like. We have the warranty and other documents such like this way. You have the how to install and unboxing methods, and how to use that one. How to these are the again where the charger ports comes and others were mentioned on this user guideline. This is the warranty certification, the warranty crashes that can be coming on. Looks inside they are the cabling, charger cable inside this cardboard package. Now that's all inside, and we are brought out the laptop outside, and inside you can see the hard external separate hard. If you want to fix another hard like SATA hard, you can fix using this port in the inside. This laptop comes with a 256 SD card, so 250 GB SD hard drive. If it is comes with that one, it's start like a tab. It's so fast with the SD card. But according to our specification requirements of our office, we used to have 1 terabyte SD hard onto you can see the two ports there, network port and USB ports. On this side you can see HDMI, USB and network Ethernet and power charging port in there. This is the back side. It comes with a aluminum metallic cover, and you can see the Windows operation system, Windows 11 genuine license sticker was there. It's not equipped with a separatable battery. You can see this battery was inbuilt at one. It is inside it. 15-inch one, and I'm going to open it first time this laptop. It's just a little hard to open in using one hand, not a soft one, just a little hard. The protective layer of display and keyboard is here. It also mentioned the shortcut keys and other powers description. This one. You can see how to open the camera webcam on the front. The 15-inch display has a one 2 megapixel webcam fixed to the display top, and it was comes with a covering gate or door. You can see all days we used to cover the webcam using a sticker, because the hackers can see come through the laptop and see what we can do in the day-to-day life using these cams. They also believe, and somewhat you can use this camera if you are a good hacker, and you can go through the laptops and see what the others doing. Now I'm going to open the switch. Opening switch one, and only one switch was there. Other switches are included into the keyboard. This keyboards come with an spill resistant keyboard. You can see the speed of this laptop. Somewhat slow. Opening of this operating system is came, and just a little time went on because 1 TB hard was there, no? So it is just a little slow in the processing. i5 38 Gen laptop, pretty good for the office users. And my friends had asked me that these are the brands. I had mentioned that cheapest the Lenovo, but Lenovo has produced more high value laptops like such like that. The professional sport one, the gaming laptops, and educational graphic one, they are much higher values. They have much higher values. You can see the dollar value is more or less higher, but this laptop is a cheaper one. It is only the only has the normal capabilities and requirements on that one. HDMI one output, inbuilt graphic card. You can see the price is one lakh and 60,000 in the Sri Lankan market. When you come to the hardware and software option, you can see this is the we have 1 TB hard drive on here. You can see I'm going to see the properties on this one. It comes with an 8 GB RAM, and physical memory was shared memory, physical memory and shared visual memory it has. Let's see these are the features it has on it, the system. I'm not going to deeply discuss these normal features on the processing system of the laptop. It comes with a genuine sound system. You can it has a built-in sound system that with good quality sound system, stereo sound system. It built it had uh, two speakers on it one. Decent, beautiful sound. This is the device manager. You can see the devices it has. These are features it have. You can see 8 GB RAM was there, and the physical total visual memory is 12 GB. It is a shared one using the with the hard drive. When I used to use a laptop, the required you can see it shows the graphic quantity is 0.2 GB. You can see that the larger graphic required software cannot be run on this one. Like 1 to 2 GB graphic required software can be started, but you can't work with it because the required graphic memory was not there. So it is only a shared one. It is not giving the capability of that much. Display can be 180 degree flexible. Thank you for watching my video, and I think this information will be useful to you. Thank you.